In this video, you will learn how to make a song in Donna AI. Download and open the app. Install the Donna AI Song and Music Maker app on your device, then open it. Sign in or create an account. Log in with your email or sign up for a new account to access features and save your songs. Choose the mood, genre and add a description. Select your preferred genre. This could be pop, EDM, hip hop, etc. Pick a mood such as chill, sad or happy. Then enter a brief text description describing your vibe of your song and theme. Provide lyrics. This is optional. You can either let Donna AI generate the lyrics or paste your own for personalized results. Generate the song. Tap generate or create. The app will proceed and provide a full track with music, lyrics and vocals in a few moments. Listen, refine and download. Review your generated song. If you need to, adjust the mood, genre or lyrics or regenerate. Once you are satisfied, save and download your track. Now you know. Now you know how to make a song in Donna AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.